Okay, we're starting off with the glow. We're doing the glow in the dark habitat, but they have to make their way on the bridge battle. Whoa! Yeah, I got a little carried away of picking the nanos that I want to turn on. And I'm turning even more on. Oh! Forgot to open this gate. No wonder they're not going anywhere. I got the fixed ones in my hand right now. I'm gonna wait to turn them on until it's more clear for them to go. Red and green motion. Sorry, I'm supposed to be camcording only the glow in the dark. And so there's the glow in the dark habitat. Uh-oh. It's not making contact. I gotta turn on the other one because this one isn't making contact. Here's the other one. That is right there. They're actually both kind of not, but oh. Yeah, no, finally, one's going up there to black and green. The fourth one, that's fast. Oh, green. Okay. Here's the glow in the dark habitat. They came back down, both of them. That's the Hong Kong one. He'll get up. Man, Green's getting dead. Oh. But this one quit. It's not making contact. Are you serious? We're gonna have to start all over, people.